kind of nickname. Like since childhood, I have been called Sri by my friends. So Sri is kind of a name which I like actually. And if you have followed my work, you have seen a pattern. Like I usually work on minimal stuffs. So I like things which are minimal and brief. So I kind of like this nickname. So that is why I called it Sri. And Doodler, that means like whatever art I'm making, actually they are pretty spontaneous and random. So because of that, I call it a Doodler Sri. So it doesn't mean that I'm doodling all the time. It is related to all kind of art I'm making. But Doodler Sri is mainly like it is giving a stress on spontaneity and randomness. Watching movies. I like all sort of movies, but these I'm into Korean dramas and all those kind of things. And I basically watch movies from all regions because I like to explore the cultures of different regions from different countries and how they talk, how they behave, how their society feels about something. So these things are very important to me, and this is one of my favorite pastimes, to watch movies and different kind of movies. It's not kind of like inspires my life, but inspirational movies, like from which I actually get inspirations to do more work, and it actually pushes me to do better every day. And like there are a lot of challenges in life, and these kind of things actually push me to do better every day. I usually mention 2 or 3 names, like one of them is Forrest Gump. This is one of my very favorite movies. And one of them is Frida, and there are many actually, Beautiful Mind, like Pursuit of Happiness. So these kind of movies actually give me inspiration to work better. Of course, I'm a foodie, but I don't like conventional food. Like, so I have watched people they usually like conventional food, like authentic Bengali food, authentic Chinese food, or authentic something. But my thing is like I don't even know what I actually like. But actually, when I like something, I like it on the spot. So it can be something which is a fusion thing. I usually like making fusion food, and I'm a cook as well. I love cooking, but I don't like cooking conventional things. So I'm more into unconventional stuffs. The thing which makes you unique maybe, and the things which actually drives you to be crazy, that is called passion. So Actually, there are a lot of celebrity crushes, but necessarily they're actor or actresses, and I'm kind of a oddball. I like people who are actually inspiring in any field. Like the field is not important for me, but the any person who actually inspires me through their work, their strength, their credibility, I admire them most. So they can be anyone. They can be a person the next door. They can be someone whom I knew. So it can. It's not like that he or she should be a celebrity. So it's like that. Whoever comes to me for suggestion, like if I want to be an artist or if I want to be an entrepreneur, then what are the steps if I want to become one? So I always give them this kind of suggestion: never choose this kind of creative path, because this is very challenging. So if you want a smooth life, if you want something which is which will give you stability and all, you should not choose creative field, because in creative field you will actually have a lot of challenges, and if you have that guts to accept those challenges, then definitely it's your path, else it's not.